Hey guys, Toyota actually has a new system that they're using for folding in the mirrors for the ones that have a power fold, and it's a little bit different than the old one. I'm going to show you how to use it right now. So if you look over here, you're going to see you have this little button right here and the little auto button. You turn that auto button on or off, you see that green light will turn on. You have this button that's right here. If you hit this button, you're going to fold those mirrors in. All right, hit that button again and you'll fold those mirrors back out. So it doesn't have the in and the out like it used to. It's just that button. The auto button, if you actually enable the auto button, so once you shut the door, if you got the key fob in your hand here or in your pocket and you hit that button to actually lock that door, it's gonna fold that mirror in automatically. When you grab it to unlock it, it actually is gonna unfold that mirror automatically, obviously on both sides. That way, you're ready to go and you don't have to worry about it. But that's the new way that Toyota is handling the mirrors on a lot of their vehicles. So definitely the truck. Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.